Welcome back to the Bayou.
Hey everyone, we're back to the Bayou again. Today is our crabbing video. Daryl and I would like to introduce our brother Joe. He's our crabbing king.
There you go.
So we are about to run crab pots and we're going to boil some crabs today.
Pull it. Come on, pull that thing. You think you got 300?
I know, it's giving me muscles in my arms.
About working, Joe. 300 more.
I'm good with that.
Pull it on.
We can all take a turn.
Now, turn it sideways. Dump them crabs to the front. See the crabs.
Watch your fingers.
There you go. Stop the crab. There you go.
Dozen crabs like that.
You got an amateur here to run. First crab shot you ever pulled in my life.
No, it is not.
Did I? I can't remember when you pulled one.
When I was a young girl.
Where's your box at? Where's your box at?
I don't know.
That's why you got to wear them white crab suits.
I'm not worried about that crab. Oh, we got one right here.
Dude, I'm
Yeah.
I can count 1, 2.
Yeah,
They got about 7, 8 number ones.
they're nice.
Get out of there, little crabby. All right, who wants to touch the bait?
Yeah, baby. Oh, John, I don't want that, Joe.
Throw 2 or 3 of them in
Oh, right there.
there. Break one of them up. Break one of them in half. Just smell.
Slicks.
That ought to do it, man. I'm gonna look. Stop.
I'm not scared.
They got 2 like that, big one. That's pretty.
Woo!
You should always rattle them down first. You're out here for a while. You gonna be out
Here,
here?
have it. Oh, my crabbing day's over. That was fun, you guys. Here, you throw it down.
Go ahead and do it now.
All right, coming down. All right, that's you.
Well, you make that look a lot easier than I did.
It's the flick of the wrist, huh?
You must be strong.
The flick of the wrist. Line's right here, Joe.
That ain't me.
Now. All right.
And it keeps you in shape.
Don't lose another
Ooh, I'm
one.
telling you, Mr. Art, 80-something years old. He was running crab pots last year. Now he can't. He doing this year, but 80-something years old. Still pull 100 crab pots out of a rake. I'll pull them
You pull them by hand or
by hand, Joe. 100 something crab pots he'd pull by hand. Get him out of there, man.
Soft shell crab?
That's $8 right there.
Ooh, I'll hold it.
That's $8.
Oh, man.
That's $8, Marsha.
Oh, his leg fell off.
That's all right. You gonna tear it off anyway.
Oh, I know. I'm going to eat it anyway. Oh, my goodness.
That's a pretty crab.
Thank you, Jesus. That is some good eating, people.
You go where you at?
These you fry and eat the
Give him a roll
whole
of blue. You
crab.
got it.
Oh, look. One for Isaiah.
Now, I'm going to show you something I want you to get on that film. In case them game wars see these videos, and they do. Immature female, got to go overboard. Mature female. immature female. You gotta make sure you get all these out. They use a grater box. I dump on the floor in my case. I just dump on the floor and get that little one out of there and throw it away. These gotta be returned to the law. $1,500 fine. They go up through that box of crabs, find that little one in there, $1,500. $1,500 for every other one they find in there.
That is.
Each. When I run a lot, when I'm out here running 200 traps, I use a grater box. Dump into that to make sure I don't get one in there. But I don't. I look out. I scan that trap. Like there's a little one there. You don't want that little in there. Shit, and it ends up going. When it goes in that box, it goes to the bottom. You wonder how it gets down to the bottom of the box.
Oh, that's a nice
catfish,
catfish.
yeah.
Wow. I love a whole fish.
Like you're saying.
Yeah, you always did like whole fish.
No, I want the whole fish off the bone.
She eats it off the bone. They're sweeter like that.
I don't want a fillet.
That's right, they're sweeter. Boy, it's a beautiful day, isn't it?
Yep.
Not a cloud in the sky. That's pretty, huh? Look at them females.
See how he carries her underneath the big buck? He carries a little female underneath. She's
Aww.
fixing to shed. He'll protect her until she gets hard enough. Once she sheds, she'll
Aww.
get hard enough
Yep.
and he won't find him another.
That's a crab you take back to the house, put in the vat. Starts off as a green crab, then it goes to a cracked peeler, then it's a soft shell.
When I didn't have no bait, I put her in here.
Yep,
And she draws all the big crabs.
I did not know that.
yep.
Oh yeah, she don't bite. She can pinch you. She's fixing the bus. She don't bite.
Aww. Throw it back.
Put
Aww.
her in here. She makes soft shell.
She'll attract some more crabs.
That's a $6 crab.
Beautiful.
Mechanical means. Pull them by hand. Mechanical means.
Little fiddler.
I'm getting a suntan. Yep, if I was running all them crab pots every day, I'd probably still be able to wear a bikini.
150 traps this morning. Got one box of crabs. That's pitiful. Crabbing industry's going to crap. They need to put a legal limit to how many crab traps and get rid of these mechanical means pulling these crab traps. Pull them by hand. That's the way you run crabs, the way with the old school, the right way. And you'll have some crabs in this lake left over. Everybody wants to run 2,000 crab traps. They can run 500-600 a day with a rake and with a pot puller. We used to run 200 by hand, and that was a day's work. And that's all you need. But you're getting less and less crabs. That's why they keep going to more and more crab traps. Well, those folks that aren't familiar with these crabs, this is a male crab, and this is female crab, fully mature female crab. I show you an immature crab, and I don't have none of them in here. You don't want to keep them on your boat. You make sure you throw them back overboard. But this is the female, and this is the male. Now, on them crabs and females, just folks who don't know, the female crab, their life expectancy on them is about 3 years. On a male crab, it's 2 years. On some of them crabs, they've done some studies to show that some of them crabs that live up to 5 years. But got them all closed up now, but I can show you And some of them, they start turning black. We call them rusties. They start turning black. And the shell starts to deteriorate on. That's the older crab. They're real easy to spot. A lot of people think they've been dipped in tar, but they ain't been dipped in tar. It's just the color of them. They just get old and the shell gets brittle on them. Most of the crabbers know that already. Us North people don't know that, but we got educated a little bit.
Okay, so these are called soft shell crabs, and when you take these crabs, you fry the entire crab and eat it. It's a soft shell crab. And these are the crabs we caught in our crab traps today. And these are the catfish we caught in our crab traps today. So we're going to skin those when we get back to the house, and we are going to eat those up too.
And Marsha, that's the way they grow. Each time they shed, as he comes out of the shell, the hard shell, he grows bigger. And then he goes through the same process again. He sheds again when he grows. He gets bigger and bigger and bigger. Starts like one of the small ones. It just keeps coming.
And we do take, these are called dead men. We do take the dead men out, and we do need to cut the little face off before we fry them.
And also the bottom.
Yes, in the bottom of this. But after that, you fry all this, and it is delicious. All right, guys, these are the crabs we caught today, and we are headed to the house to boil them. Follow us.